The inside scoop. Understanding the in crowd. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore a very interesting phrase in the English language. The in crowd. You might have heard it in movies, songs, or even in everyday conversation. But what does it really mean, and how can you use it correctly? Let's dive in and find out together. The in crowd refers to an exclusive group of people who are considered popular and socially influential. These individuals often set trends and are looked up to by others. Being part of the in crowd means you're seen as cool or fashionable in the eyes of your peers. The term in crowd has been around for quite some time. It's believed to have originated in the mid-20th century, reflecting social circles in schools, workplaces, or high society where certain groups were considered elite or desirable. Now, let's look at how to weave this phrase into your conversations. She's part of the in crowd at school, always hanging out with the cool kids. This club is where the in crowd likes to gather on weekends. Ever since he became famous, he's been rubbing shoulders with the in crowd. The in crowd is not just a phrase, it's a concept that's been represented in various forms of media. There are songs titled after it, and many TV shows depict the dynamics of these exclusive groups, which gives us an insight into their influence on social behavior. Understanding phrases like the in crowd can really open up the richness of the English language. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's about the people and the culture too. I hope this video has been insightful, and you're now more comfortable with the phrase. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be in the English language in crowd. See you next time.